Alright, this will be my first ever time reacting to the Chainsaw Man opening. I've never seen any clips, any leaks. The only thing I know that there will be cinema revolving it, and that's it. And I've heard the song, I've listened to the song like few times already, but the visual I haven't even watched it yet. So this will be the first ever time me actually watching the opening. So let's go. Let's go. Hello. It's starting. Okay. Okay. This is looking great. This is looking great. Ooh, a beautiful star. Hello. Hey yo. Hey. Hey. Himeno and yes, cinema. Them in the cinema. This is nice. This is a nice start. This is a very nice start. Hey. They are hanging out together. Hello. What is this opening? This looks so great. Oh my gosh, I wish I were Denji. Okay, never mind. Hey. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The fact that it actually stopped here is very funny. Okay, let's just watch from the start. Hopefully it will load itself, I guess. It's so good though. It looks so great. It's like who is this, Shingo Yamashita? I mean like it does look like his style, but it's so nice, man. I mean like the way they actually put it, it's like they are really enjoying themselves. And look at how hot Aki looks. Wait, what? Hey yo. What are they doing? What are they trying to portray here, man? Are you kidding me? Am I running out of internet already? Did I run out of internet? No, I'm not running out of internet. What do you mean? I am back. So instead of getting a new connection, I managed to borrow my little sister's phone to watch the opening again. So let's just go and look at it again. This time it's actually in 4K quality, so it's going to be amazing. Again, Shingo Yamashita. I'm pretty sure this is Shingo Yamashita, right? The way it actually looks is so nice, man. And they look at that, man. They are having fun. Chainsaw Man cast. Finally, no more depression. What the hell is Denji doing actually right there? This is actually nice. Like, what are they trying to portray here? It looks so nice. Visually, this is one of the best opening, man. Okay. Oh. Ayo. Okay. Woo! Woo! Hey, hey, Chainsaw Man, Chainsaw Man! Oh my gosh. Hey yo, bro, what the hell? Hello! Hello! Are you kidding me? It stopped again? I'm going to cry, man. Okay, maybe I should let it load. Okay. Pretty sure it's loaded enough. Okay, let's redo that, man. Oh. Yeah, so let's get there. Hey. Man, this is so nice. It feels like a movie, man. Cinematically, photographically. Look at that. How crazy is that, man? Man. Ooh. Hey yo, the explosion! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This opening! I love it! Oh, stop! Advertisement, stop! This is one of the best opening of all time, man. Like, that explosion, that's literally Goodbye Eri reference right there. I am very satisfied with the opening. The song itself is just masterpiece. The visual is one of the best this year, one of the best opening visually. It's just amazing. Go watch it yourself.